Guys, oh my gosh. We need to talk for just a minute. Good morning from Universal Orlando Resort. Today I am here to check out what's new here in the park. There's a lot of new merch today that I want to check out, so we're going to do that. We're going to do some updates on some things going on around the park. We're going to talk about Epic Universe, and we're just going to have a good time. So let's get inside. So come on and join me. I am starting out my day today here at the top here in CityWalk, up the escalator here, over here at the Cursed Coconut Club. I have not seen this yet. I have not really been back to the park since I was sick, and now I'm like feeling really good actually right now. So hopefully it stays that way. But I have not seen all of this, and I thought this was really cool. But the main reason that I came up here was to check on some progress of a Nintendo store. So over here you can see they're still working on everything, getting everything done, working out with the construction. They have facades built up. Looks like glass windows are put in there, but not completely done yet. So we will see. Hopefully this will be open before Epic Universe, but I'm not sure. Okay, now back down the escalator we go, and let's get inside of the park. Maybe we'll stop by a couple of stores before we go in and see if there's anything new out there. As of the recording of this video, 92 days until Epic Universe opens, and I cannot wait. It's gonna be amazing. It's 8 a.m. though. It's 8:02 and it's not open yet. The preview center. I don't know if they've changed this. I was out here yesterday just having some fun and riding some stuff, and it wasn't open at 8 a.m. then either. And I don't know, but I guess we're going to wait and see. Hopefully there's some new merch in here, but I don't know if there actually is. But they are not open yet because usually they have the doors wide open. Also think about how far we've come. Like last year when we were checking on this, we were excited about the screen being put up there, excited about the portal being put up there. It's crazy to think that that was last year, and in less than 90 days or 100 days, we are going to see this brand new theme park open. It's pretty crazy. So the preview center just opened, and I just wanted to come in here and just, you know, chill for a minute because the actual Universal Studios hasn't opened yet. But, I mean, just looking into this and seeing everything we're going to see is amazing. I mean, it's just really hard to believe that in less than 100 days, we are going to be walking right through this portal right here, right up front. It's just crazy when you think about it. And I've seen some things on here that I never really even realized that were on this model, you know, like stuff like Frosty Moon's over there, the little amphitheater that we talked about in the last video. I mean, it's just crazy when you think about it. Even like up here, like even the VIP area, the little bridge area there. I mean, everything here is just, man, it's just crazy. I didn't see really anything new in here other than this. Now this just might be something that I looked over, but it's like a little Mario sippy cup kind of. It's pretty cool though because it has all the characters on it. So cool. Also, one other thing that I did notice, these cups here, which I need to collect all of them, they were $10. They've moved up to $12 now. So a $2 difference. It's theme park inflation, but not that big of a deal. But I did notice that as well. And still loving the Donkey Kong merch in here. So I was not going to head over to Islands today. I'm still waiting on Universal to open. But I'm going to head into Islands of Adventure just really fast. See if there's any new Epic Universe merch in there, because they have been putting new stuff in there. And yet again, I used the face scanner to get into Islands today, which is really nice. The team members here are so kind. They're so cool. I was like, are we doing the face thing today? Do I need to pull my pass out? They're like, yeah, come on, we're doing the face thing. And they said, I really like calling it the face thing. That's a new thing that we need to call it. Universal face thing. Universal. Coin that phrase. Okay, into the trading company we go. Right through here. This is all I think this is all we're doing today. I meant all that we're doing here in Islands of Adventure today. Okay, opening 2025, right? Let's look at some things here. Oh, here's something that I haven't even noticed before. This could be in the preview center, but I haven't noticed. It's a beach towel. Or is that a blanket? Wait. I'm so confused. It's $40. It does feel like a blanket, though. Like something that Angie would love. Maybe. Good idea. Anyway. Let's look over here, see if we have anything. Nothing new here to report as of right now. But, as my buddy Kevin pointed out, Kevin Heimbach, I love how Yoshi's just kind of like sticking his butt in the air, kind of mooning. That's pretty funny. Okay, here's something I haven't recognized before. This could be brand new. I haven't seen it. It could have been here the other day when I was here, but look at this. This is awesome. My gosh. That's so awesome. Is that Hiccup? Or I'm not that familiar with the films. I've seen them like once or twice. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's Hiccup. But that is cute. It's got to be Hiccup, right? Because he's riding on Toothless. That is so cute, man. $32 for this guy. And they do have quite a few of them here. And this guy does not belong here. Oh, look at this Dark Universe Spirit jersey. This is awesome. Now, we showed this the other day, but this is different. This is like a Spirit jersey type. Let's flip it around. We got anything on the back? Oh, come on. Shut up. That is awesome. I love the detail down here. But I really love this part, the Dark Universe. That is sweet. Also, up here, let me put that back. There are some shot glasses here, or excuse me, toothpick holders, as we say in the theme park world. But these things are sweet. These things make me nervous when I pick them up. Please don't break. Please don't break. $34 for these. Also, I don't know if I showed this in the last video or not, but I'm going to show it again. This new How to Train Your Dragon Toothless cup. So it's just like the Super Nintendo cups that we were showing a minute ago. $13 though. So a couple of things in here, but not a ton. Now they could be a little different from what I saw the other day, but I think some of it is just maybe merch that I didn't come across, or I came across and I didn't show you guys. Wait a second. What's this? A new Super Nintendo World hoodie that says Universal Orlando on it. That is nice. $65 for this. And you can see the hood on the back. It's not the biggest hood, which that's what I like. I don't like gigantic hoods. That is really nice. I like that. Made it over to Universal Studios Florida, and it's rope drop. People are waiting. They're not going to let us in yet. I think you can go inside the Wicked store, though. Let me test that theory. Actually, no. I see ropes up. You can't get there. Okay. Don't mind me. Just chilling here at Today Cafe, waiting for the crowds to be let in over here. It looks worse than it is. I promise it's not that bad. The gates of the park are now open. Okay. All right. Let's do it. We need to go over here to Sahara Traders because there's some new merch in here I got to show you guys. It's actually pretty cool. Made it over here to the New York section, and here at Revenge of the Mummy, it's a 10-minute wait. It's not bad, but we need to go to Sahara Traders because there's something in there that I want to show you. All right, into the shop here. I know that we have some brand new merch in here that needs to be shown. So let's see if we can find it. That's not it. Let's keep looking. Oh, I see it. A brand new Universe shirt. This is amazing. It is our boy, Look at him. That is so awesome. Brendan Fraser. He looks like he needs a cup of coffee today. But I don't know. We'll have to find him somewhere throughout the park. It's $30 for this shirt. It's in small. It goes all the way up to XL. This is part of the Universe brand, by the way. And another Mummy shirt over here. This is really cool. This one is also Universe brand, and it is $30. So I like that. That's pretty cool. I think that's the only thing I wanted to show you in here. I was exiting the gift shop when I noticed this one coming into the arcade. There's a giant Siberian Husky with bat wings. Maybe he's just supposed to be a bat. I guess he's supposed to be a bat, but it looks like the Siberian Husky plush. Of course, anytime I see a Siberian Husky, I always think about my dogs. This is cool though. I haven't noticed this. This is really neat. Look. Wizard of Oz plushes in here. Scarecrow, the monkey. That is awesome. Some Munchkins too. That's really cool. Is that the mayor from Munchkin Land? So neat. All right. Let's try to win one of these for Angie one day, or just look it up online. It's probably a lot easier to do that. Also, they have some Dark Universe plushes you can win in here. Some of these look slightly different than the other store. I'm shooting another video for you guys trying to get this thing of Jaws. I have never in my life waited so long for a picture op or photo op of something. That shows you how popular the Jaws figure is over here that people want to take a picture with. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see that video really soon. Making my way around the park, and there's not a ton to talk about today because we're in the middle of Mardi Gras season, you know? It is what it is, you know? But we're gonna walk over there towards DreamWorks Land, check out what's going on over there, see if there's anything different. Maybe go into the Five and Dime because we haven't been there in a while. Just see what's changed. Now, it's the first time I'm seeing this this year because I haven't even walked this far back. You guys know I was sick for like 2 weeks. Finally got out here when, you know, after Mardi Gras, but I'm glad they keep stuff like this every year. It looks like they still have the Dogman display out here. They do. Has that come out yet? Yeah, it's been out. Okay. They do have some dog food that you can try over here at the DreamWorks Imagination Cafe, but it's not open right now. I don't know if I want to try some dog food. I heard it's like beef and mac and cheese, which does sound good, but I'm not going to try that. Also, here's something that has changed. Lou Wasserman statue is now in Central Park. It was over by San Francisco, but it is no longer there. It is here in Central Park, which is kind of cool. At least it's here. Hey, buddy. Just down the street up the way. Also, we've talked about this, that Rip Ride Rocket's closing in September of this year. But I'm curious what you guys think is going to replace it. You think it's going to be Ghostbusters? You think it's going to be Fast and Furious? I don't know. I really don't know what to think. But I'm hoping to be something amazing. So nothing to show in the 5 and 9. I just went ahead and passed it. Starting to sprinkle just a little bit, but let's go into the Universal Studios shop here and let's see if there's anything that I've missed that I haven't referenced yet. There's plenty of Mardi Gras stuff I haven't shown, so let me show you a couple of those things. I believe this was in the tribute store when we showed it there, but I do love this display. This is so cool. All the King Gator popcorn buckets there. That is amazing. I love the look of it. The shirts that they have on and all that kind of stuff. It's pretty cool. I don't think there's a lot, though, that I have not shown. Maybe, I don't know. Like I said, I was sick and out of commission for 2 weeks, so it's hard to remember everything that was shown. I do like this hat, though. Oh, I haven't seen this. That's nice. I'm worried that if I try that on, I might break it. It's 25 bucks for that. We talked about the sweet shop last week moving. There's no progress in here. Still looks the same. Still some black curtains up. Nothing's changed. But there is Scooby-Doo sitting out here. Just hanging out. I don't know if I've ever seen this plush that's this big. I'm sure it's been here. There's just so much merch that I just don't see it. $45 for him. 45. That's not bad for how big he is. Some of the smaller plushes are like 25, 30. The globe's not spinning. It's not spinning. Oh, that mist coming all over. Sometimes it's cool though. It's better for the photo ops, I feel like, sometimes when it's not spinning, right? Guys. Oh my gosh. We need to talk for just a minute. Guys, I just got the best news ever. I can't talk about what it is. I'm a little emotional right now, and I'm a little, like, just overwhelmed. It shows you that hard work pays off. It shows you that hard work pays off. 3 hours of sleep a night, sometimes getting out here doing what we're doing, just shows you that hard work pays off. I got an email. I can't talk about what it is, but it's pretty amazing. One could say it might be epic. Wow, so I think we're going to end the video there. I think that's it for today, for everything I wanted to show you guys what's new here in the park. Man, big things are coming. Big things are coming. So please, if you are new here, consider subscribing. Hit that like button and the notification bell so you know when our next video is coming out, because there's so much coming. There's so much content. It's going to be awesome. We're not even finished with February yet, and there's a lot. March has got a lot going on. April, May has a lot going on. So it's just going to be awesome. So thank you guys so much for watching. And remember, the road goes ever on. I will see you in the parks.